Hello friends and welcome to the Statistician. In this lecture we will learn about a very basic concept of statistics, how to find arithmetic mean by using different methods. We will use ungrouped data in this lecture only. We will use three basic methods: direct method, shortcut or coding method, or step deviation method. First of all, arithmetic mean of sample data is very simple. The simple definition of arithmetic mean is we have sum all the observations and divide the sum by the total number of observations. Symbolically, we can find arithmetic mean as x1 plus x2 plus so on up to xn divided by n, where x1 represents the first observation, x2 represents the second observation, and so on, and n represents the total number of observations in your sample data. Here are some basic formulas to find arithmetic mean by using different methods. First of all, direct method, a very common method, x bar is equal to sum x divided by n. Shortcut or coding method, x bar is equal to a plus sum d divided by n. And in step deviation method, we can find x bar is equal to a plus sum u divided by n multiplied by h, where d is equal to x minus a is any arbitrary value from your data set, and u is equal to x minus a over h. Here are the formulas of group data for direct method, shortcut method, and step deviation method. In this lecture, we will find arithmetic mean by using ungrouped data only. First method is direct method, and we have taken a very simple example to explain the direct method. The marks obtained by 6 students in a class test are given: 20, 22, 24, 26, 28 and 30. We have to find arithmetic mean by using direct method. The method is very simple. You have just sum all the given values and divided the sum by the total number of values. Here are 6 observations, and the sum of these 6 observations is 150 and divided by total number of observations, which is 6. So the mean of this data set is 25. Now we will use the same example uh, to find arithmetic mean by using shortcut or coding method. Here is the example. The marks obtained by 6 students in a class test are given. We have to find arithmetic mean by using shortcut method. Here is the formula: a plus sum d divided by n. Here is x: 20, 22, 24, 26, 28 and 30, and d is equal to x minus a. A, as I already mentioned, that it is any arbitrary value from your data set. Here we have taken 24 as an arbitrary constant. So d is equal to x minus a. You have to minus 24 from each x observation. For example, the first observation is 20. 20 minus 24 is equal to minus 4. 22 minus 24 is equal to minus 2, and so on. 30 minus 24 is equal to 6. So according to formula, we need a, which is equal to 24, sum of d. So the sum of d is 6 and the number of observations are also 6. Here is the formula of shortcut method. By putting the values 24 plus 6 divided by 6, which is equal to 24 plus 1, and the mean again is 25. So it doesn't matter which method you use, the arithmetic mean of any given data set will remain the same. Here one very important question arises, that what would be the value of a? For illustration, we have taken the same example again, and we have changed the value of A. In this example, we have taken 28 as A and D is equal to x minus A. 20 minus 28 is equal to minus 8. 22 minus 28 is equal to minus 6 and so on. And the sum D is equal to minus 18. Again, just substitute the values in the formula and you will find that the mean will remain the same, 25. So it doesn't matter what value you choose as A, the answer will remain the same. Now we will use the third method, which is step deviation method, to find arithmetic mean. The same example again, and the formula of step deviation method is x bar is equal to A plus some u divided by n multiplied by h. Here we need u, where u is equal to x minus a divided by h. As I already mentioned that a is any arbitrary value from your data set and h is class interval or class height, the difference between two consecutive classes. Here h is 2, 20, 22, 24, 26. So h is equal to 2. For first value of u, 20 minus 24 divided by 2 is equal to minus 2 and so on. The sum u is equal to 3. Here a is equal to 24, sum u 3, divide n is equal to 6 and h is 2. You have to substitute the values in the formula. 24 plus 3 divided by 6 multiplied by 2 and you can see that x bar is equal to 25 again. So a very important point here is you can use any formula or any value of A, the answer will remain the same. There is no change in the answer. For practice, we have given two activities. First activity is the first 8 multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28 and 32. You have to find arithmetic mean by using direct method, shortcut or coding method and the step deviation method. So this is your first activity. And the second question for practice is you have to collect the data from your class and you have to use top 15 students, the marks of top 15 students to find arithmetic mean by using all three methods which we have learned in this lecture. I hope you have enjoyed the lecture. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment box.